Hello everybody. This is, fast repotting, I prepare for this action, and we will see these roots of this guy, big guy, and we'll put it in a new case. Okay, let's see. I try to protect more roots, without stressing. This guy, good roots, it wanna go outside. Now this drainage make problems for him. Okay, this guy better roots, and I not destroy them so much, only without stress, reporting like it will be fine his way, I don't like make some stress on the fruits. I know plants, on the trees, on the different some cut roots. Yes, you have some problems, yes, with roots or some damage or some ills. Of course you need to clean them, but when you give good roots it can grow fast without problem. I will give 2 liters to this guy with vermiculite some parts. Now it's ended vermiculite, so I use only black, Ukrainian ground. Yeah, it's like it. He likes this ground, I use San Pedro on this ground with some organic, some sheets, and it gives very fast growing, Needs to clean after this process, but we have not central more. Okay, let it be. He wants sit this side. Okay. Something like this, Okay, we will wait, we will see, These fat guys with a lot of food, with good earth, it will be good results. This is maybe Mr. Frankie, this is big boss. And we'll see who will be faster, big boss or Mr. Frankie. Big boss and Mr. Frankie. Okay, see you, bye bye everybody.